What's going on, sweetie? What's going on? I see you spying. Why is your maid here? You always act different when your maid's here. What's that maid doing to you? You flew into the tree, but you're being watched. I see you looking. Why does your mate attack you? You're really looking at him too. He's so beautiful. Yeah. You're a beautiful blue jay. You really are. I never thought I'd get this close to a blue jay. Time and patience. Trust. Your mate's chicken, he won't come out. He's in the bush. He's checking on you, making sure you're gathering for the nest. Gathering enough peanuts for the nest, huh? You're the gatherer. You're a busy bird. I've never seen a bird busier than you. You can go all day if I would sit here in this weather. I know he's in there. He's watching you from up there. Today's Wednesday. See, the phlox are coming out. I just planted this year. So pretty. Hopefully butterflies soon. I've got a big butterfly bush right there. It's ready to pop. But what's really pretty is the hydrangea. It's the color of you, Blue. Absolutely stunning. My sanctuary I built just for all of you. Yes. Yes, you. I know what you're waiting for, and you're very patient. You never fly away. You sun on my deck, right at the door. You sing. You talk. You bury. You eat worms. And you're very patient. Okay, sweetie, I'll go in and get you some goodies. Ciao for now.